Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This blender customer has given me to change the lower connector. They are unable to change it, so that's why I'm making this video how to change it very easy way. Yeah, see, this is the lower connector blender. So it has gone. So let's see how to do it. Just remove the screws from back. There are three screw. Just remove the screw. Then if you cannot remove the back part, then you push by screwdriver. See, this method is you have to hold here. You can hold by your hand, or you can hold by cloth also. Then you take flat screwdriver, yeah, like this flat screwdriver. Then you tight it clockwise. You have to remember this. You have to turn it clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. Then it has come out. See, very easy. You have to try it clockwise. Then if you want, this is the new, so I'll install new. This new, then you have to anti-clockwise. If you want to install it, tight it, then anti-clockwise you have to turn. And there also you hold in left hand in that connector, and by screwdriver you have to turn it anti-clockwise, then it will tight anti-clockwise. Yeah, now it's fully tight. So now you can fix it back, all the things, screws. So that's it. So this was the only theory. Thank you dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.